morning everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. Right now I am just getting ready for my hospitality course. I'm done. I'm just going to get my bag ready and then I'm gonna be off. So I was waiting for the bus and I was keeping track, like I was half running to the bus stop because I was keeping track on the PTV of like when the actual real time, like when it's coming, checking both sides because I wasn't sure on the PTV like which side it was, and I waited there for ages. It kept changing its time for longer. And I was so annoyed, and then I asked my brother if he could come and just before he goes to work just drop me off to the Upfield line, but he's going the other way and he didn't want to because classic brother. So now I have to get an Uber, and then the Uber that I got decided that he wanted to turn into a freeway, so it was nearly half an hour away, so I had to cancel and order another Uber, and now this Uber is completing a trip but he's taking forever to turn like right onto streets and it's really annoying me. So far the estimated time arrival is still before my start time, which is before 9 o'clock, but you never know what could happen this morning. Okay, so this is the Snapdragon, like, just beware these are about to be ordered. So there, I don't know if you can see, oh there they are. So I just turned it over, that's why this is there, so that it gets sun, but that's the Snapdragon. These two, I've put half of it outside, which you'll see in a second. So this is the basil, and this is coriander. This one, which I just need to let it dry out a little bit because it looks like it's been overwatered, but that's the parsley, and this is thyme, which I can water a little bit but not too much because that's kind of the same. And then yeah, I'll just water these and then I'll show you the outside ones as well. I've got our flower ones. I don't really know how this one's going actually. It kind of looks a little dead, but it might be able to salvage some of it. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I feel like some of it could still be salvaged, but some of it is definitely like dried out. So I'll just water them. So God, I need to water me plants. You know it's not to walk on them, which is good. See, I'm so scared of like watering them because I don't want to drown them. And then these. So we've got rocket, which look, it's growing quite well, isn't it? And then we've got the rocket that I planted straight into out here. We've got the bok choy, which some of it is like dead, but some is still growing quite nicely, so I'm still keeping on that. And then this is the coriander that I replanted in here, and the basil that I replanted in there. So I will water them as well. Basics. Wrapping presents. So I've finished wrapping. The dogs are here. Hi Jinxie. Hi. Hello, hello. And yeah, I've set up a little Dad and Kim present section. What? 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 Jordan and I are off to get done. We're a bit late because
We're not late.
he's landed already. And I already asked Jordan what time he was getting in. He was going to leave 5 minutes before, but anyway. Oh, you can't even see me. Oh, there we go. Are you ready to see my lights through the window? Yes. Yeah, I'm feeling a little weird. I've had 2 and a bit coffees today, and I also tried the drinks that I made. So yeah, I'm a bit hyper right now, and it is nearly 10 o'clock at night, but that's all right.
Particle fast.
Hi, Dad.
Again.
Good, thanks. This is the last time because tomorrow night I have a late night. And one of them you have to open now. You don't have to use it. I would love for you to use it, but you don't have to yet. But I do want to see you open them, so you have to open it now.
And we have to do it now.
Sit.
Yeah, you'll enjoy it.
Sasha.
What do I have to open it?
Me.
So that I can see you opening it.
Doesn't matter. FaceTime exists.
You don't... No, that's not the same.
Sash. Yeah, it is. You can still see them and hear them.
Is this
It's
a coffee?
exactly the same.
Is this a coffee?
No, it's just decoration, but I like the mug.
I love the mug. I will enjoy the mug. Thank you, Chelsea. I like the mug. It's mine.
She's
You're
already
like the
seen
queen of wrapping, can I just say? No, you are.
Nah, you
really
should see
are.
Nana. So, our Nana's really good at wrapping Christmas presents. I'm gonna buy just a really weird shaped Christmas present and just test Nana on her wrapping skills. And just keep buying stuff that it seems impossible to wrap and see if she'll just manage to wrap it.
Because it's not.
It's
'cause
already
not
been
cut straight.
reused 3 times, Dad.
It's not cut straight. Send it back.
That's why I
Send it
fold
out.
it.
I'm opening the
What are you doing?
I'm opening the chocolate.
But you're not allowed to change it.
What do you mean?
So whatever you do has got to fit in here.
Oh, that makes me cry.
It rhymes too. I didn't even mean it until the last word.
Near with a camera and some reindeer.
Reindeer. It rhymes.
Hang on. This is so that
that
with or without me here,
you will
we will
always
always
celebrate the
celebrate
Christmas cheer, just as if I was near.
Cool.
A camera and some.
So are we going to put this on the Christmas tree? Or
Well, you
this-
can, so then it has more lights,
'cause it's
or
a
you
little
can
bit-
put it anywhere.
The Christmas tree's a little bit.
Shit.
Needs
No,
more
I'm gonna
lights.
miss
These are the ones in your room.
No.
You know.
Well,
Which means no. They're not. She...
Yeah.
Sash.
Nice. And you're not going anywhere yet.
well, I am this Christmas.
Christmas you are.
Yeah.
But then you've got to put up with us on a plane.
Yeah, I can't believe you made me cry already. It's not even his job.
Then you've got to put up. We've got to put up with her on a plane. She's got to put up with us on a plane.
Let's make her sit in the middle.
Make it living hell.
As of
Sit in
the
the middle,
1st of December,
speeches.
I'm speaking to you and Kim in Italian only.
Yes.
Okay?
It's already the first of the December.
The 1st of January, sorry.
Did you get that?
Get it? Record it?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, that's fine.
Die.
Yeah, our t-shirts from last year, remember?
So you can put those on the tree?
Me, now.
Dad, say a proper sentence in Italian. I want to guess what you say.
No.
That means no.
Already she's good. Smart as a whip.
I've put down in Kim's new lighter. Kind of similar to my room. They don't flash though, which is good because the TV's out here.
He's got to have power. Although the lights.
That looks very nice.
When it crashed.
Now next year, as your new addition to Christmas, you have to get a light up star. Right guys, so I'm going to end my vlog here. Just going to get ready for bed, make sure I know what I'm wearing tomorrow, and yeah, just get some sleep before I have the big day tomorrow, which is just a work conference that I'm filming, and then we've got the evening of like award ceremony and just kind of end of year celebration get together thing. So yeah, that'll be exciting. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright, bye.